One thing about God is he goes all off, like akiamama kubless, atakubless, like when it rains it pours. When it comes to God, when it rains it pours. That's all I have to say. I'm about to go out more. Hey guys, how you doing? Hi. Today I wanted to spend the afternoon with you. My house is a mess. I wanted to clean everything, and I decided that as I do that, let me just show you some updates. I got some new electronics, which I am so excited about. I got a new couch, so I wanted to like bring you up to speed, like a house update thing, but then let's include it in the vlog, you know what I mean, type of vibe. So yeah, if you're new here, my name is NDUTA. Please feel free to hit the subscribe button and join the family. I don't know why I'm tripping out of my words. Let's get into it.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you.
So now that we're done cleaning up the sink, I wanted to show you what I got from my kitchen, the electronics that I got. So I got a cooker and a fridge, and they're pretty dirty right now, which we're going to wash together. But I did a video when I was like trying to show you guys what I got like the day after, and I'm gonna insert it here so that you guys can see. So I went to Naivas, and the delivery was amazing because I told them I'll be home this day at this time, and they delivered exactly as I told them to. So I'm very happy. Nothing was damaged, like everything, like the delivery is just amazing. I went to the Naivas at Mountain Mall for anyone who's curious, and things were on sale, so you know, grab the opportunity, especially when they have things on sale, because the prices were mad slashed. Okay, so yeah, let me show you guys. So there we have the cooker. It has the steel plates. I think I'm just gonna call it a steel plate, and then the 4 burners. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's from the company Vaughan. As you can see, it's an electric and a gas. Where's the thing? Yeah, as you can see, it's an electric one and a gas one. I've already even connected it. Oh, yo, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Okay, actually, I'm so excited. I never thought this would happen this quick. As in, look at that. I am such a grown-up right now. You can't even tell me otherwise. I'm so happy. Yo. Yeah. And then I got a fridge because I think, oh, we got a fridge. We got a fridge and a cooker. Okay. 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 It's from Micah. It was also on sale. And one thing that I realized people don't look at when they're buying fridges is the amount of electricity it consumes. And as you can see, this one is only 76 watts, so it's good. Yeah, already put some things, eggs, majimob. Yeah, I went shopping. I'm going shopping today in the evening, so yeah, this is nyanyas. And look at that. Oh, this is the thing that I found so amazing. Like, so you put your ice cubes up on ndani, and then like your maji up on ndani, and then like when you open here zinaanguka hapa chini. We don't have that at home, so this is very interesting to me. I don't think the old fridges had this, so yup. Have another ice thingy, and this thing is, I think, for retaining. Wait, it's not focusing. For retaining ice when hakuna steam or something like that. I don't remember, but yeah, isn't it pretty? I can't wait to show you guys how I meal prep and how I plan to organize this fridge. I didn't want the 2-door one, the one that the door is up here and then sijui hapa chini, because I didn't think it would fit. As you can see, actually henge fit. So yeah, plus I don't know, I feel like these ones are more sleeker, just, you know, I don't need anything bulky. I feel like the next fridge I'm gonna get is the one that has 2 doors, like one hapa and one hapa, like adjacent to each other. So yeah. I'm so happy. As you can see, my stovetop is not the cleanest. Those are oil stains. This is food spills from yesterday. My fridge, on the other hand, is also, it's not organized. Those are fruits as organiziwa. Those are some vegetables. I went vegetable shopping jana. Yeah, I feel like everything here should be wiped, everything in this section. I should find a better way to store that meat. Yeah, things are pretty much a mess. Also, I think I should put here on this clip what I was saying before I got rudely interrupted by my storage. Is I'm gonna put in a clip of what I was using before I started using my beautiful my beautiful stove. This is the burner that I'm using. It's a 2-stove burner and it's quite efficient because there's nothing I can't cook here. Well, apart from bake, I can't bake and I can't grill because it doesn't have the grill function, but it cooks quite well. It has one that goes really high, the other one is not too high. It's quite efficient. It's from Mica, and all you do is you connect this this pipe into your gas. That is the gas that I connect with that pipe all the way to my 2-burner stove.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof.
I think it's time that I get an oven cleaner, but I mean, look at it, it's so clean. It's not shiny, but it's clean. So priorities. I feel like this mixture, this mixture has okay, the bottle is wrong because it used to be a hand wash, but inside I have vinegar, I have soap, and I have water. So yeah, it does the thing.
Driving down the freeway at night.
So I'm not doing a deep clean because I do keep a clean fridge, if I do say so myself. So I'm just gonna like wipe down surfaces, wipe down things, and yeah, call it a clean fridge. Okay.
One thing in the back of my mind, I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing.
This is how this section looks like. As you can see, we really love our sauces. So yeah, I don't know what to do with this part, so I'm just gonna like speed over it.
You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La da la da da la da da. La da 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 dee da da la da 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 la da la da la da da. La da la da da da.
There we have it, a clean fridge. Yes, look at it, so clean, so clean, so tidy. I am supposed to like wrap things with cling film and such, but sija fanya shopping ya kubai cling film yet. I'm going to sweep the floor afterwards, but I'm gonna do that pretty soon, probably tomorrow. I don't want to touch there because I need cling film and some storage containers, so I'm not gonna touch that. Yeah, so that is done. I'm just gonna now clean the outside because we get to touch it all the time. I'm gonna sanitize the handle and call cleaning my appliances done and dusted.
21 trips around the sun, and I built a universe for one.
Quick tip: when you're washing your fridge, do not forget to wash these surfaces. Like apandani, oh my gosh, it can be so gross. Do not forget to wash those surfaces. Anyway, you guys, I think I'm done. I'm just gonna wash the floors and the counter spaces and call it a day and just like arrange. I'm not supposed to show you the couch, I know, but okay, but like let this just be a kitchen thing, and then I'm gonna do the living room next. Okay guys, okay, so let me just wash the surfaces. Washing my kettle, our kettle. And can you see the scum down there? So I'm just trying to like find a way to like remove it so that it's focusing. So I want to make sure that that is removed, and I'm gonna try to remove it using some vinegar. I don't have apple cider vinegar unfortunately, but I do have vegetable vinegar or some white vinegar. So yeah, I'm gonna put it inside here. Ooh. And then I'm gonna put some water inside there, and then I'm gonna run it, like heat it and see if it comes out. I've seen people do this before, so I'm hoping it works on mine as well.
There's a garden in the backyard where I picture you in the morning.
So I'm just gonna run it as I arrange the house. Well, this is the situation. I don't think it's all cleared out, but okay, wacha nimwage maji tuone. And because this is hot water, I'm just gonna pour it down the sink because it helps. Plus iko na vinegar, so it helps with like kitchen sinks and stuff. Guys, this is how we're looking. It worked. Let me show you. Disclaimer: this might be a bit nasty. Look at what was down there. Look at what was down there. Imagine wash your kettles and kama ikona the scum that was like kama yenye liko huko chini. And mind you, imagine that kutumia steel wire. Sikutumia anything. Like I just wiped it clean with these ones, and then I used some soap and this dish thingy, and then I just washed it. And it's clean now, so we're just gonna throw this in the trash. Yup. It worked.
Could I have played my cards differently, baby? Could I have shown you how you wanted to treat me? No.
That I had this I had forgotten that I had this what are they called, seal bags from IKEA. So when I went grocery shopping, I got this corn that I wanted to make like salad with. So nikeka some of it here, and then zilikuwa mbili, so I got this cucumber in the other IKEA bag. And then there's some chopped nikadogo. What is this called? Red purple cabbage. We love purple cabbage in this house. Yeah, that is it. Oh, and then some eggs. Really, I need to get more eggs. Yeah. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you would love to see more of these videos, give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps with the algorithm. And comment down below. And you know, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.